Welcome guys to our live show. Let me adjust our device. Our live show is beginning, so if you have any question or if you're interested in equipment for extract edible oil, you can enter our live show. Okay. Welcome guys, our live show. Welcome. Okay. Wait a moment. I adjust my device. Oh, what happened? Guys, if you're interested in equipment for extract edible oil, you can enter our live show. Our company is mainly produce equipment for extract soybean oil, rapeseed oil, cottonseed oil, palm kernel oil. Entire processed equipment we can provide for you. Or if you want upgrade your single machine, we can provide equipment for you, and we can configure suitable machine according to your need. Okay. Okay guys. Okay, let's continue. Our company is doing holdings. We were established in 2011, and we have what? Welcome guys to our live show. We're doing holdings. We mainly produce equipment for extracting edible oil. If you're interested in equipment for extracting soybean oil, rapeseed oil, sunflower oil, palm kernel oil, entire process equipment we can provide for you. Or if you want to upgrade your single machine, we can choose suitable machine according to your need. Guys, if you have any question, you can text them on in comment area, or if you can find our contact information from comment area. Welcome guys to our live show, and today I will introduce different scale palm oil production line. First, let's watch this 3D video. This production line capacity is 1 to 2 tons per hour, and equipment more complete. It include entire process equipment. Welcome guys to our live show, and okay, now let's see the process. I will introduce our process and our equipment. If you have any question, you can enter our live show. The palm oil process is divided for several steps, such as sterilization, threshing, digesting, pressing, and filtering, vacuum drying. This process is constant the palm oil production process. And the first step is the FFB, fresh palm fruit bunches, is unloaded. Is unloaded on the ground, and then the FFB is loaded in the fruit cage. This is fruit cage, and in this production line, we equip the crane to transport the fruit cage. Then the FFB will enter the sterilizer to sterilization. Full fruit cage can put into each sterilizer. In this 3D video, we use the sterilizer is hydraulic door. Don't need worker to open and close, and it heating time is less. Just need 60 minutes to 90 minutes. Guys, if you have any question or if you're interested in our equipment for extracting edible oil, you can type your question in comment area. Or if you want full quotation or configuration plan, we can arrange right sales manager for you. Our company is mainly produce equipment for extracting soybean oil, palm kernel oil, rapeseed oil, sunflower oil, and so on. Entire process equipment we can provide, and single machine we also can provide for you. If you need equipment, you also can find our contact information from comment area. There has our phone number and WhatsApp number. Okay, the first step is sterilization. After sterilization, the palm fruit bunches will be softened and easier to remove palm fruit. So, second step is threshing. The crane lifts the fruit cage put on the shelf. The palm fruit bunches enter the thresher. This is a drum type thresher. It is so long, so palm fruit can be removed cleaner. After threshing, the palm fruit falls down to the screw conveyor, and the empty palm fruit bunches falls down from the tail, and the palm fruit be transported for next stage through bucket elevator. Next, we will begin digesting. In this step, we will use the vertical digester. This is vertical digester. There has a knife. It can destroy the structure of palm fruit. And during destroying some crude palm oil flows out to the bottom of the digester. So in pipeline we design this. This is a collection oil tank to collecting the crude palm oil from digesting. Welcome guys to our live show. If you're interested for equipment for extracting edible oil, we can provide equipment for you. Today we will introduce palm oil production line, different scale palm oil production line. We have 1 ton per hour free installation palm oil production line and 1 to 2 tons per hour palm oil production line, 5 tons per hour production line, and more than 10 tons per hour to 120 tons per hour production line. Big scale palm oil plant. We also can provide equipment for you. If you have some need, you can type your capacity, your material on comment area, and my assistant can reply it for you. Welcome guys to our live show. Welcome guys, welcome. In the past, introduce the 1 to 2 tons per hour production and some steps: sterilization, threshing, digesting, and pricing. In the pricing, we use the double screw palm oil presser. Each presser don't need worker to control entire pressure, and its capacity is larger. Its capacity is 1 to 2 tons per hour. At least it's 1 to 2 tons per hour. And this double screw palm oil presser suitable for production line. The oil residual weight is lower. Except besides this presser, we also have other kind of palm oil presser. We have other single screw palm oil presser. The presser capacity is 300 kilogram per hour to 500 kilogram per hour. We can equip presser according to need. If you have any question, or if you have some need about our equipment, about our project, or if you have some question, you can type them on comment area, and my assistant can reply it for you later. And we can provide free quotation, configuration plan, or selection guide for you. Oh, sorry. My camera. Okay. Let's continue. After pricing, we can get the crude oil, but internal have many impurities such as fiber, peel, nut, and kernel. Many impurities in the crude oil. So we need 3 filtration to filter internal impurity. The first equipment is this vibrating screen that has 2-layer filter screen. And the crude oil and impurities can be spread through twisting. The crude oil leak to the last layer and flow out from the incision. The second filtration equipment is this clarification tank. The oil clarification tank. The crude oil flow into from the middle and the lower part, and then the crude oil is settled inside. After settling, the impurities will settle to the lower part, and so the lower part is dirty oil and the upper part is clean oil. In the clarification, we design oil skimmer to and the clean oil can flow out from the oil skimmer, and then the clean oil will always be taken. This is a plate filter. It can remove small impurities such as fiber, and the impurities with the crude oil can be supplied through the squeezing. After filtration, the crude oil will be cleaner. So the last step is vacuum drying. In this step, the crude oil will be boiling, will be heating to boiling, and the water vapor will flow out from the pipeline, and some oil vapor also flow out to the pipe. The water vapor and oil vapor will enter the oil water splitter. The oil vapor will become liquid and fall down to collect. The water vapor still go up into the water jet pump. In this device, the water vapor become liquid and then be collected. Welcome guys to our live show. Guys, if you have any questions or if you have some need, you can type some on comment area. We Our company mainly produce equipment for extracting edible oil, soybean oil, rapeseed oil, palm kernel oil, cottonseed oil, and so on. Many edible oil extracting equipment we can provide for you. Guys, if you have any question or if you're interested for our equipment, you can write you need or your project capacity, your raw material in comment area, and my assistant can reply it for you. Or if you want discuss your project with our sales manager, you can find our contact information from comment area. There has our phone number and our WhatsApp number and the WeChat number. You can send a private message for us, and I will arrange right sales manager for you. Our company has its own factory, engineer team. We can supporting special customization for you, and we can choose suitable equipment according to need. Welcome guys to our live show, and now we're watching 1 to 2 tons per hour palm oil production line. And we have different scale palm oil production line we can provide for you, such as 1 ton per hour free installation palm oil production line. And this video shows 1 to 2 tons palm oil production line. We also have 5 tons per hour palm oil production line. And next, let's see the free installation palm oil production line. It don't need many install steps. This production line includes 3 containers. We can transport this equipment for you. You just need install the pipeline. Welcome. Wait, I adjust our advice. Guys, if you have any question, you can type them on comment area. And now I'm introduce different scale palm oil production line. This is free installation, 1 ton per hour palm oil production line. It don't need many step installation. It just need install the pipeline and this handrail. You can quickly begin production. Welcome guys to our live show. If you have any question, we can provide single machine and production line, and we can equip super equipment according to your need. You can type your project capacity and raw material in comment area. You can arrange right sales manager for you. Welcome guys to our live show. And the first step in palm oil production line is sterilization. In this free installation palm oil production line, we equip 3 sterilizer, and this is a hot water tank. This sterilizer is a iron sheet sterilizer, and its sterilization time need 90 minutes to 120 minutes in one's time. And if you want to get higher efficient equipment, we can equip according to your need. And after sterilization, the palm fruit bunches will be softened and easier to threshing. So next, the palm fruit bunches enter the thresher to remove palm fruit. This is a drum type thresher. After threshing, the palm fruit fall down to the screw conveyor, and empty palm fruit bunches falls down from the tube. Okay, next stage is digesting and pricing. In digesting, we set a pre-pricer replace this way, and after destroy the structure of palm fruit, the palm fruit enter the double screw palm oil presser to press internal oil. In production line, we always equip double screw palm oil presser because it is suitable for production line, and it has high degree of automatic. Don't need worker to control internal pressure. Its capacity, this equipment capacity is higher. Its capacity at least is 1 ton to 2 tons per hour. After pressing, we get crude oil, but in the crude oil has many impurities, so we will use 3 equipment for filtration. The first equipment in filtration step is this tank. This is a clarification tank. The palm oil flows into from the middle and lower part, then settling in this tank. After settling, the impurities falls down to the bottom of the tank. So the lower part is dirty oil and the upper part is clean oil. And in this equipment, we design an oil skimmer. The clean oil, which the certain position, the clean oil will overflow to the pipe, so the clean oil will be pumped, will always be taken. And next, the clean crude oil into the vibrating screen for filtration. This is vibrating screen that has a 2-layer filter screen, and it can spread the impurities with crude oil through twisting. After twisting, after filtration, the crude oil falls down to the oil storage tank and then be pumped to the plate filter. This is a plate filter that has many plates, and on the plate we equip some filter cloths, and use this equipment can remove small impurities through squeezing. Then finally, the crude oil will be cleaner. The last step is vacuum drying. Remove internal moisture, increase the crude oil storage quality, storage time. After drying, the oil storage time will be longer. Welcome, guys. We are doing holdings. If you have any question, or if you're interested for equipment, you can enter our live show. We mainly produce equipment for extracting soybean oil, rapeseed oil, palm kernel oil, and so on. Many edible vegetable oil extracting equipment we can provide for you. Okay. Next, let's see the 5 tons per hour palm oil production line. Today, I will introduce different skills palm oil production line. We have 1 ton to 5 tons per hour production line. This is small scale palm oil processor, but different production line with the equipment is different. If you want simple palm oil production line, we can equip for you. The simple palm oil production line includes three machines. It includes a thresher, presser, and a plate filter. If you want to get cleaner oil, we can configure one more vibrating screen for you. In brief, we can equip suitable equipment according to your need. So if you need equipment for extracting edible oil, we can arrange right sales manager for you, give you full quotation or configuration plan. Selection guide. This device we can provide for you. This video is 5 times per hour palm oil production line. In this production line, the equipment is more complete and the ornamentation is higher. First step is sterilization. In this scale production line, we equip this sterilizer is more than 5 tons per hour scale. This sterilizer internally don't need the food cage. It is directly steam to heat FFB, and its capacity is larger. The efficiency is higher, and its sterilization time just need 60 minutes to 90 minutes. After sterilizer, the palm fruit bunches will transport for next stage. This is the drum type thresher. In this thresher, the palm fruit can be removed from the palm fruit bunches, and the palm fruit fall down to the screw conveyor. Empty palm fruit bunches falls down from the till, and then the palm fruit enter the vertical digester to destroy in structure. In the digester, we also equip the heat coil to heating palm fruit, make the palm fruit more softened. And during digesting, the palm fruit will flow out some crude oil. So we design a oil collection tank in the below pipe. Welcome guys to our live show. Now I'm introduce 5 tons per hour palm oil production line. They have small and medium scale palm oil production line, and we also can provide large scale palm oil production line. If your capacity is 10 tons per hour to 120 tons per hour, this is large scale palm oil production line. The equipment will be more complete, and the ornamentation will be higher. Our sales manager can equip the suitable equipment according to need. And we also have engineer team can support specialized customization for you. And after pricing, the crude oil will enter the filtration and the clarification step. The first clarification equipment is the clarification tank. In this tank, the crude oil can be settled inside, and the impurities will fall down to the bottom of the tank. The clean oil overflow to the pipeline. We set an oil flow device in the clarification tank, so the clean oil always be taken. And next, sorry guys, our device today has some problems. Okay, okay. And the second clarification equipment is this. This is a vibrating screen that has two-layer filter screen. It can remove impurities through twisting, and the impurities will go out from the incision. Up the incision, down the incision, we set a screw conveyor to transport the palm oil residue. Transport the impurities back to the presser. Decrease the oil residual rate. The last filtration equipment is the plate filter. In this plate filter, it can remove the small impurities such as fiber, and after filtration step, we can get cleaner cold palm oil. But there has some moisture, so finally the crude oil pumped to the vacuum dryer to heating, and the water vapor will go up to the pipeline. After vacuum drying the oil, the moisture content will lower, and the crude oil storage time will be longer. So finally, the crude oil can be pumped to the oil storage tank. For next stage, if you want equip complete production line, after pressing, we can equip refinery production line. The refinery machine we also can provide for you. Entire process of extracting olive oil equipment we all have. If you need the production line or single machine, you can tap you need in comment area, and our assistant can reply it for you. Or if you want to directly discuss your project with our sales manager, you can find our contact information from comment area. This is a large-scale production line. We can show the process for you. The factory area is big, and the equipment is more complete. It has high degree of automatic and oil residual rate is lower. Our large-scale palm oil production line capacity is 10 tons per hour to 120 tons per hour. So if we want that high augmentation machine, we can equip like this equipment for you. Okay, guys, if you have any question or if you have some need, you can type them on comment area. We can provide equipment for extract the soybean oil, rapeseed oil, palm kernel oil, cottonseed oil, sunflower oil, and coconut oil for you. If you want the production line, or if you want to upgrade your production line, if you need a single machine, we also can provide for you. Welcome guys to our live show. This is large scale palm oil production line. The process is more complex. The purpose of decrease the oil residual rate. And in the large scale production line, it equips the kernel recovery step. It will spread fiber and kernel. It includes the kernel and shell spread step. Give us really clean kernel. This is cracker. And after cracking, the kernel with husk will enter the spread clone. And finally, we will use a vibrating screen and the mud gas spreader to spread the kernel and the husk. Okay. Next, let's learn about our equipment. I will introduce the feature of our equipment. So guys, let us to watch the pictures. In the palm oil single machine, we have two kinds of palm oil presser. This is a single palm oil presser. It has two power system. It supports diesel engine and motor system. You can choose it according to your need. And the single screw palm oil presser, its capacity is 300 kg per hour to 300 kg per hour to 500 kg per hour. But it's not suitable for production line. So if you are a small investor, you want to invest a small project, you can choose these kinds of pricer. And the other kind of pricer is this double screw pump oil pricer. Its capacity is larger, at least 1 ton per hour to 2 tons per hour. And this double screw pump oil pricer is suitable for production line, and it don't need worker to control internal pressure because there has a hydraulic pump and the reducer in the tail. So don't need worker to control internal pressure, but the single screw pump oil pricer need to adjust the screw at the tail to control internal pressure. This is our 2-type pricer, and there has different advantage and disadvantage. You can equip it according to your need. The single screw pump oil pricer is cheaper and small footprint. It's easy to operate. And the second type can give you high yield, and it has high degree of automatic. The two kinds of pricer we also have stock in our overhauls. If you want quickly get the pricer, we can transport for you. And next, let's see the production line. I will introduce different scale pump oil production line. The first type is simple pump oil price production line. It includes 3 machines. The first is a thresher, and the second is a pump oil pricer, single screw pump oil pricer, and double screw pump oil pricer. We all can provide for you. And the last one is a pump filter. If you want to get more cleaner crude oil, we can configure one more vibrating screen for you to filter internal moisture thoroughly. And the simple pump oil production line capacity is 1 to 2 tons per hour. Welcome guys to our live show. Now I'm introducing the pump oil production line, different scale pump oil production line. If you're interested for the equipment for extracting edible oil, you can enter our live show. Or if you need equipment for extracting edible oil, we can provide for you, such as soybean oil, palm oil, palm kernel oil, rapeseed oil, cottonseed oil, peanut oil, sunflower oil, and so on. Production line and single machine, all we can provide for you, and we can arrange right sales manager to introduce our equipment, give you free quotation, configuration plan, or selection guide. This service we can provide for you is free. So guys, if you're interested for equipment, or if you need equipment for extracting edible oil, you can enter our live show to know about our equipment, or you can find our contact information from comment area. There has our WeChat number, WhatsApp number, and our phone number. You can send a private message for us. Okay, let's continue. The second type is small scale palm oil presser. Its capacity is 1 to 5 tons per hour. Its equipment were more complete, so the crude oil quality will be higher and the oil residual weight is lower. But this production line, it also has low investment and high return advantage. This production line can give you a complete intelligent control system. Welcome guys to our live show. Now I'm introduce different scale palm oil production line. You can enter our live show and learn about our equipment. This small scale palm oil production line can give you high oil yield and high quality of crude oil. The work process is divided several steps. The first is sterilization, second is threshing, next digesting, pressing, clarification, and filtering. The last one is vacuum drying to remove internal moisture, make the crude oil storage time is longer. If you need a single motion or production line, we can provide. Or if you want to upgrade your equipment, our sales manager also can equip suitable machine for you according to your need. And type 3 is medium and large scale palm oil production line. Its capacity is 10 to 120 tons per hour. Its automation is the highest, and the large process capacity is largest. This medium and large scale palm oil production line, we can set PLC automation control for you. Don't need more worker to control, can decrease your labor cost. And the working process also include this, but it add a kernel recovery station. So the medium and large palm oil production line can give you clean crude oil and pure palm kernel. So guys, if you need the palm oil production line or single machine, you can send a private message for us. We will arrange that sales manager for you. And our company has a overseas warehouse in Nigeria. There has our warehouse and our branch. If you want invest if you want to invest palm oil or other edible oil project, we can transport equipment from our Nigeria warehouse. Welcome guys to our live show. We are doing holdings. We can provide equipment for extracting edible oil. Today our topic is introduce palm oil production line. But if you have other extracting edible oil equipment need, you also can tap them on common area. Okay, next pricing process, we can get the crude oil. But if you want to get the high quality oil, high quality product, you don't need the refinery machine. It can remove phospholipid, free fatty acids, pigment molecular, odorous molecular. These impurities all can be removed by the refinery production line, by the refinery machine. And we have 3 kinds of refinery production line for you. So guys, if you want to equip more complete production line, you can learn about the refinery machine. The first type is batch type palm oil refining machine. It's suitable for small oil plant. Its capacity is less than 20 tons per hour. And we have 2 kinds of heating system can provide for you. The first is electric heating. Its capacity is 0.5 to 2 tons per day. But if you choose the electric heating, the machine cost is lower, but the operate cost is high because it is the electric, and it needs the welcome guys, it needs the stable power supply. And then second heating system is conduction oil heating. Its capacity is more than 1 to 20 tons per day. In this scale, you can choose the conduction oil heating. The batch type palm oil refining production line, it operates is easier and don't need more area to set to put the machine, and it can use for many different kinds of crude oil. If you want to refining soybean oil, palm oil, sunflower oil, and so on, you also can use a batch type palm oil with a batch type refining machine. Just use hot water to clean the machine before change. It's okay. Welcome guys to our show. We're doing holdings and introduce our equipment for extracting edible oil. In the past, I've introduced palm oil production line, the different scale palm oil production line. If you're interested for palm oil or palm kernel oil production line, you can tap them on common area. And other kinds of oil seeds production line we all can provide for you. Soybean oil, rapeseed oil, sunflower oil, peanut oil, coconut oil, and so on. The equipment for extracting oil we all can provide for you. And the entire process, the equipment we all have, pre-treatment, pressing, solvent, extraction oil, and the refining machine we all have. We can provide for you according to your need. Okay. The type 2 is semi-continuous palm oil refining machine. Its capacity is 5 to 30 tons per day, and so it is suitable for medium-scale oil plant. It can increase the process augmentation, because the last step, the authorization section, is carried out continuous. Use the authorization tower to refining to operate. It can continuous product. So the semi-continuous refining machine, the efficiency is higher, and the crude oil quality, the refining oil quality will be better. Okay, the last one, the type 3 is fully continuous palm oil refining machine. Its capacity is more than 30 tons per hour, and the whole oil refining process is fully continuous. Don't need worker in the workshop to control the equipment. We can equip the PLC intelligent control system. Just need 3 to 4 worker control, and the capacity is largest. The oil quality will be developed. Okay, and except the palm oil pricing production line, refining production line, we also can provide the fractionation, dewaxing, winterization machine for you. And the fractionation capacity is 1 to 1,200 tons per day, and the dewaxing and winterization equipment capacity is, oh my god, is 1 to 600 tons per day. About the refining process, the physical refining process or chemical refining process, we all can provide for you. You can choose right process according to the material. The physical refining process suitable for palm oil, palm kernel oil, and coconut oil, because these 3 kinds of crude oil, internal free fatty acids content is higher, so it need use the physical refining process. And the other crude oil, other edible oil is used for chemical refining process. And if you need the bottle blowing machine, rebridge or oil storage tank, or the large-scale cooking oil filling machine, we all can provide for you. If you need, you can contact us. And our contact information in comment area, there has our WhatsApp number, phone number, WeChat number. You can send a private message for us. Our assistant can reply it for you. Other guys, do you have any question? We can answer it for you. Or if you have some need, or if you want directly discuss your project with our sales manager, you can contact us. And our sales manager can help you to choose suitable machine for you according to your need. Guys, do you have any question? Or you can follow us. Guys, our live show once time 1 week, and you can enter our live show to learn about different kinds of edible oil production process. I will introduce and show different process for you use our 3D video. Okay, if you don't have any question, today our live show will be end. See you next time. Bye.